I'm Rayla Helsel, and I've played for the Granbury High School softball team for I played all 4 years, but then I have also played softball since I was probably about 8 or so.
I'd like to talk to you today about Rayla Helsel. She's another senior of mine on the softball team, and she is up for your Shiner Athlete Scholarship. As far as Rayla comes, she is one of the brightest students I have on my team. She is so sweet and caring, and she takes care of her teammates. I think she's a good candidate for your award, and I hope she gets it.
I've always thought it was fun. I love how close you get with your team, and my dad has always, because he used to play like the adult softball or whatever, and he is the one who introduced it to me and who took me to my games and everything, and so that's a big part because he just made it fun for me. When I'm not playing softball, I work at Rack Room Shoes, and I do homework to keep my grades up, and I'm also in Key Club and Photography Club, and so usually I do community service projects to get my hours for those things. My most memorable moment would probably be my entire senior year, because with this team we've become so close, we're a family and we work together, and I strongly believe that we can go really far into playoffs. My plan is to first go to Weatherford College to get my basics done, and then I'm hoping that I'm going to transfer to Tarleton, and I'm probably not going to play softball because I want to be an accountant, and I don't know how that would work with studying and everything, so I guess we'll see.